Hey guys, just quickly before we get into the video, I just wanted to say I really appreciate everyone who's subscribed to the channel and who's helped me grow this channel. So I want to give back to you guys. So I've decided that I'm going to give away this Vito Pro Pack MB2 blackout pouch thing with some goodies in it. So yeah, basically I'm just going to go through the comments on this video and then just randomly pick someone. And next week I'll announce who gets this. So really appreciate it. And yeah, it's been a busy year, but it's been a good one. So let's get into the video. Thank you. All right, that's the house. This is the side of the house. I've got my pipes coming out here. Yep, we have pressure. Anyway, I got told that, and the original plan was I was going across like a pergola and the unit was actually going to be somewhere here. Things have changed. It's going there now. So I came here yesterday and literally moved this. Had to decommission that aircon, which was there. Cut that. Slide this thing back and replumb it and whatever. Got that out of the way. They don't make it easy for me. But anyway, that's where it's going. So the builders cut that out, originally thinking that was going to go across, but the shape of that hole means that the trunking's got to go down. So the customer wants me to go down, across in night sky trunking and down like underneath that. So got the trunking over there. There's going to be two 90s. So anyway, first thing I'm going to measure up this unit, put the brackets up, work out where the pipes need to be, get this trunking happening.
working.
Yeah. That's to work all the time. Are you going on the Chrissy party?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, I'll be there.
You are?
Yeah.
Who is it? Is it or something?
I
Did you go last year?
No, I didn't.
My son's going as well.
Yeah, so I'll be there, man. So, be able to chat more.
Yeah. I'm only going to be here hopefully for less than an hour anyway.
Yeah. I'm trying to finish because I want to go to Total Tools because it's Black Friday sales today.
What is it?
It's a Black Friday sales today.
Yeah.
And I need a new drill because my impact driver's playing up.
Okay.
So and, they just got massive sales today, so I want to get over there.
Oh, it's tool store or something?
Yeah, every shop everywhere today has got the biggest sales of the year. Alright, so I have put the trunking up, I've just extended the pipe. Yeah, so now I'm going to seal that and put the face on. So it's all nice and neat. It looks obviously not that great now, but we'll put the face on and that'll make things, I reckon, heaps neater. Alright, so this thing's sitting there. I just got someone to give us a hand, put it on there. Trunking goes up, do a 90 bend, goes across. Because the brick wall and that cladding isn't 100% like flush or plumb, got 2 stainless steel rivets in there that will be black. Just haven't done that yet. That goes across and down. But the only reason I had to do that is, you obviously don't normally need to do that like there, but because it's a different face, like it goes from brick over that lip to there, because it wasn't 100% flush, I just put those 2 rivets in. But yeah, that'll 100% be black. But for now, that's what it looks like.
Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you wanted to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Once you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If you need somebody, you know I'm the one for you. I won't tell nobody. Keep it on the down low, just us two. Just skin tight, close like that.
This thing's a game changer for doing pressure testing, eh? I think I'm a bit late to the party, but it's cool. Alright, that's done. That's closed up. Oh, I've put some black paint on those rivets, so that's done. So now the electrician's going to put an isolator on for us. He's upgraded the switchboard and left the circuit breaker like he's allowed one. So now he's just got to run a cable and put an isolator there for us. Then I'm going to come back, and when I come back, hook up the power, and then I'll just check the pressure, make sure it's all good, back it and commission it. But I'll go and show you what the inside fit off looks like before I leave. Alright, so we ended up going black bar grills. The customer chose that, not me, so I just got them powder coated. I guess it looks alright. There's the controller. Looks alright. Because everything else is black. And all like the light switches are black. So yeah, basically that's the inside all fit off. It's very close now, I just got to wait for the electrician to put a circuit on and we're done. Alright, so that's all done. I'm leaving that job. So basically how that works is that particular builder, I know and have been doing work for him for a long time. And basically what I do is he builds the house and I go and like work out what the best solution is for the aircon. I give them a deposit, they pay the deposit, then I go and rough everything in. Once everything's roughed in, and like the insides fit off, I then like invoice some more, and so it's like a progress payment, and then yeah, that way I don't get held up. I don't care how long it takes for the whole job to be built. When I was younger and I just started out, I would not invoice them until the job's done, and sometimes I'd be out of pocket for so long. These days I'm much more experienced and I definitely don't do that, but you live and learn. So yeah, that's how it works. So that's why that job was done so long ago, and I don't care. Honestly, they paid for the unit, and the unit was just sitting in the workshop just doing nothing, so whatever. But anyway, obviously there's a couple of weeks till Christmas, so they were like, we want it for summer, so I've just fit them in for half a day today to get that done. And yeah, so now I'm going to do a couple of service calls and that's it. And tonight I'm going to get a new impact driver because it's Black Friday tomorrow, and yeah, my impact driver's been playing up for ages, so I'm going to go and get a new one of them. It's starting to piss me off. I'm also thinking about getting the 12 volt impact driver. Everyone seems to rave on about that, so I might even do that. So anyway, I hope everyone's had a good week, and I will see you next week. Let's go.